There's a little creek running down. Some neighbors here. I think I might want to hurry up and cross.